grinding for the guala with my team, we stay up late. Never let nobody come between me and the pay, but you know I slip paid. Yeah, you know I'm with my gang, we just flexing all designer with these diamonds on my rings. Yo, VVS my neck, catch me running up a check. Yeah, I'm running up a band while I'm running through those head. I just spent a check and I made it back. I just spent a stack on a go yard back. I just flexed up, I ain't going back. Exes on my phone, I won't call them back.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Gang Fam Squad, what's up? It's been a little while, guys. What's up, Gang Fam Squad? How's everybody? BRZ vlog today. Sorry to let you down. We're gonna be putting on the Coilovers today, the front lip, and some other things. So, BRZ vlog all day today, baby. And it's like the only day this week where it's not gonna be 90 degrees. So, we're bright and early. It's like 7 a.m. I don't know why I'm up on a Saturday right now, but we're gonna just jump right into today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let's go. Okay, boys. Changed into some clothes. We can afford to get dirty. Got the BRZ here. Stock, height, forget about it. I've never worked on a BRZ before, but how hard can it be? Here's the GTR. Looking all sorts of nice. But it's so red I can't even see if it's in focus or not. Pretty raw. Max's vinyl shop. If you guys do not support your friends, you're a pussy. Back wheels A1. Front wheels, big yikes. Camber arms on the way, don't worry about it. Just gonna jack one side up, do it, jack the other side up, do it. It seems really easy, so let me get my tools and we'll get started. So we have the fundamentals ready to go. Tools on deck. Jacks on deck, stands. We're gonna do one side at a time. My friend Tyler says we can do these. My friend Tyler says he can do his in 30 minutes. So we'll see. And the dumb dealership drilled holes. So I put some tabs in right here. So no more ugly ass holes. Looks way better than just actual drilled holes in the bumper. I don't know why the fuck dealers do that. The shit's annoying. But she's clean, fam. So 3 on both sides. 2 bolts hold that coilover in. 2 bolts on the top for that one, 1 at the bottom. So without further ado, let's get it. We're working with. Okay, this is pretty much going to be a cakewalk here. Let's get this shit in focus. So for the front strut, it's literally these 2 bolts right here, 3 on top. And the backs are mad easy as well. We have 1 right there, and the other 2 are right here. So this is going to be a breeze. I think we're going to do the fronts first, then do the backs. So let's get it. Well, that's 1. 3 more to go. All right, new coilover is in. Main 2 studs are in. ABS is in. Wiring harness is in. End link is in. Top bolts are in. Let's do the back. The back half was a little more annoying. Way more bolts for whatever reason. So we're gonna put the new coilover in, and then this side will be all done. Flip the car around because there's mad cars on the other side. And then after that, I think we'll try to put the front lip on, and then this thing needs a bath super bad. So we'll see what the stance looks like on this thing very soon. Okay, new coilover is in. 3 bolts back at the bottom, and this side will be all done. We'll lower it, check the stance, and then do the other side. By the way, I just like to say, the BRZ, this is probably first of all, this is the first time I've ever worked on a BRZ, or a Subaru in general. besides like bagging some of my friends. But this has probably been the easiest car I've ever worked on, hands down. This shit is mad simple. One side is done. Took me about an hour. Let's see what the drop looks like. Okay, so we're gonna pull it around, but just to show you a literal before and after, this is the side that we did. Need to get our wheels on ASAP. These things are yikes. And here's the side we didn't do. So big difference, really. For sure. We're gonna spin this thing around, do the other side. It's gonna look damn good when it's done, I'll tell you that. Not bad, not bad. All right, lads, so we are one side done. Let's do the passenger side and get it ready for the wheels and tires. Now, in order to connect the hub back to the coilover, we have to jack up the assembly and then bolt it in. Alright, now we got this side all reassembled. The two studs, the end link, the whatever the fuck, brake sensor line, wheel sensor, whatever, and the ABS. So this is all good. Slap the wheel back on this. We can close the hood, everything's tight under there. Hit the back, and then we are completely done with today's install. Fourth one. Guys, real shit. Do you ever get that like feeling when like the last bolt comes on and you're just finally like, oh, thank God this shit is over. We did it. No problems, nothing stripped out, nothing is cross-threaded, just like such a sign of relief. Well, we just put the last bolt on the back. The sway bar end link was being such a bitch, but we got it. We're just tightening everything on back up now. Shelby's already off work, but she's just hanging out there. I'm gonna bolt this up, take a shower, wash this. What? No. And show her and see how she likes it. So let me put all this back together and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright boys, are you ready for the drop. Let's go. Decent. Looks so much better. Get the wheels on. It even tucked more. Now that it's out on all fours. Pretty nice. Not bad at all. Hit me, please. That's pretty much where I'm ending it for today, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, like always. If you are new, sub to the channel, it really helps. And pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching, like always. I will see you very soon in the next video. Peace.
Ain't nobody flies us, smoking all day and they get high as us. Yeah, I take the weed and I grind it up. Yeah, I stepped in the spot looking fly as fuck. Yeah, in my old school Vans with my socks pulled up. Girls gon' fly when the clicks show up. Champagne pot, got the weed rolled up. Step in the spot, all eyes on us. Big Benz and the high top chucks. Bow downtown, let the team blow up. Step in the spot, all eyes on us. Step in the spot, all eyes on us. School Vans with my socks